Look at our little duck friends that are down here in the creek. They've been here quite a bit this year, so it's kind of neat. I don't want to get too close to them and scare them off. Alright guys, welcome back to another episode Up-N-Runnin. Thanks for watching. On today's episode, we've got some miscellaneous stuff to do on the Blazer, and there might even be a surprise for us, so I hope you enjoy it. Alright guys, I'm going to give you a little walk around on the Blazer to show you what Ed's been working on. Like I mentioned in a previous episode, I'm not going to do just hours and hours and hours of videotape with Ed sanding the Blazer. But anyway, this side's about ready to go. It's just about ready for paint. I'll be sure to get a bunch of footage when he's actually painting it. I know I'm excited to see that as well. Alright, so he's got this side to sand out yet. He's got the guide coat on it, the final coat of primer and everything. So this is what he's probably going to sand on today. So I'll be sure to show you it when it's all done. Here's the doors. He was working on them inside the booth. I think he primed them in here and then just threw the guide coat on in here, and he's just letting them, all dry. Alright, it's the next day. I thought I'd give you another update on the Blazer. As you can see, Ed got this side all sanded out, so this is ready to go for paint. So today he's probably going to, getting it ready to go in the booth. He's got a lot of stuff to tape off, and that takes a lot of time as well. So hopefully in the next couple of days this will go in and get some paint put on it. Got a surprise for you guys today. It was a surprise to me too, so this is going to be the first time I see this as well. Apparently Ed got up bright and early this morning and painted the Blazer. I wish I was planning on filming it, but oh well, what can you do? So let's go check it out. So the Blazer is going to be two-tone, and only one of the colors is painted. But I'm excited to see it. So let's go take a look. I could open the big doors, but it's dark in there anyway. So I'm going to walk up here and go in the little door. I'm excited to see it. I wish I would have been able to film it for you guys, but oh well. It'll be a surprise for all of us. There it is. Wow, that looks really nice. I thought he was going to drill these holes first, but I think what he's going to do now is he's going to drill them before he paints the white on. The center, the center part of this truck will be white. Man, it looks really nice too. I'm excited for him. Yeah, I was hoping to be able to show you guys while he was painting it. The problem with doing that is, I don't have any way to protect my camera, and I'd have had to leave right away. But anyway, it's still nice to see it painted, and I'm super excited about it. Let's jump in the old Dodge and run down to the other building. Alright, here we are. Hope you enjoyed the drive. It's a customer's Bronco. Apparently the tailgate's being used as a shelf right now. But that's the tailgate down there. Brown Chevrolet. It won't take him long to knock that out. Anyway, that's the update for today on the Blazer. Now let's head back home. Alright, Ed just let me know he's coming down here to the shop. We're going to uncover the Blazer, so I'm excited to see it uncovered and see what it looks like.
I use that Euro clear and it lay out nice.
It looks awesome.
Yeah.
I mean, there's like no trash in it.
I'm very, very minimal compared to what.
Yeah.
I had a fan on the whole time too.
Yeah.
It was just spraying so much.
Uh-huh. I'll show you guys the floor in here.
Say that again, Ken?
I was talking to the viewers. showing them how good the floor is in this thing. I mean, you never ever find these this nice.
No, yeah, I started looking in the early 90s. And I just couldn't find one that I wanted to do. And honestly though, as solid as this is, I did a lot of work. As solid as it was.
All right, I'm super excited about that, especially for Ed. He's been wanting that done for a long time and just never got to it. And it's finally worked out that he's got some time to do it. So anyway, hope you enjoyed that. We'll keep working on it. There's the horses that are always out behind the property. A lot of times they're down by the fence. Today they're out in the middle. Alright, that's going to wrap it up for another episode Up and Running. Thanks for watching. Be sure to come back next time. We'll keep plugging away on the Blazer. Trip on a piece of pipe, nice. So here are the doors. Ed must have primed them in the booth, and he's got them all ready for the final coat of sanding. What the heck is that?